And we're heading out to Fort Myers Beach, which I'm sure is going to be jammed once again this afternoon as folks try to beat the heat on what's going to be another hot day here in Southwest Florida. Yes, I know it's summertime, but with no rain to cool us off, it's just going to be exceptionally warm today. Take a look, though. Clear skies again as that high pressure overhead of us. 81 degrees, feeling like 87 there at Fort Myers Beach already here this morning. And again, clear skies is the story as we're looking at plenty of sunshine once again for us this afternoon. So let me walk you through it here. Here's 91 degrees by noontime. We're going to continue up to 95 by 2 o'clock and ultimately 97 degrees here in Fort Myers, Punta Gorda, 98 up in Arcadia, about 95 in Naples. Where does that compare to records? Well, would be tying records in places like Fort Myers and Punta Gorda, records that date back almost to the 50s. And within striking distance in Naples, within 2 degrees. So again, another hot day. And then you add in humidity and it gets even hotter. Obviously, anywhere from 100 to 105, when maybe as high as 109, 110 in Arcadia. And that's why we actually do have a heat advisory in DeSoto County, in Sarasota County, starting at noontime today until 7 p.m. because of the heat. But all of us will be dealing with the heat. So if you are going to the beach, going on the boat, it still should be a good day for that. Gulf temperatures, well, they look like bath water a little bit. So maybe not cool you off totally, but 88 degrees in terms of that Gulf temperature. As for seas, 1 foot or less, light chop, those inland waterways. In terms of tonight, though, partly cloudy, 78 degrees, and then get ready for another hot one tomorrow, and even hotter in some places like Arcadia, looking at 99 degrees actual air temperature there tomorrow. 97 Punta Gorda, Lehigh, Immokalee, 95 down in Marco Island. Now, the only caveat to tomorrow is we could start to see a little bit more of that shower activity. So let me walk you through this here. Here's 3 o'clock this afternoon. Again, clear skies. We'll continue to see that into the overnight hours and into Monday morning and really Monday afternoon. Once you get into about 2, 3 o'clock, we'll be watching southern Collier County for some isolated showers, thunderstorms. Some of those could be on the stronger side, but you notice suppressed down to the south. We're not going to see that up in the Lee County, Charlotte County, and points northward. So really, Collier County is where you're going to see that rain tomorrow. Could still see some localized downpours down there, but all of us are going to see the rain. We'll slowly bring back those rain chances as we move throughout the rest of the week. Speaking of the rest of the week, good news I do have for you. No tropical development expected over the next 7 days. Obviously, we'll continue to follow that as we move through hurricane season. The rest of our 7-day forecast, again, building those rain chances, though, staying in the mid-90s over the next 7 days.